For 165 years, Quincy University has been a place where education and community come together, shaping the future through learning, faith, and the development of servant leaders. Quincy University's football stadium, originally built in 1938 during the Great Depression for a little over $116,000, underwent a $4 million renovation in 2015. A key feature of this renovation was the addition of a new 4-story press box, offering modern amenities for media and game day operations and luxury suites. The project also included the installation of new artificial turf field, upgraded lighting, and new grandstand seating. Today, the field serves as home to the QU football, sprint football, and men's and women's lacrosse teams, providing a versatile venue for multiple sports to support student athletes and providing a premier venue for the Quincy community. For 165 years, Quincy University has empowered students, strengthened our community, and carried forward a legacy of excellence, and that tradition continues today.